Happy VA Wednesday. So today we're going to be answering one of the most commonly asked VA questions. Are you ready? Okay. Can I use my VA loan to buy a second home or an investment property? The quick answer is no. If you live in New York and you want a second home in Miami, who doesn't, right? Can you use your VA loan for that? No. If you live in New York and you want to buy an investment property in Pennsylvania, can you use your VA loan for that? No. Here we go. But how do I have friends with investment properties and they have VA loans? How did they do it? Super simple. So here's the deal. When you guys take out that initial VA loan, it can only be owner occupied. So where we see a lot of this is with our active military members. So let's say that you get stationed in Texas, right? You buy that first house. Well, now you're being moved to Florida, okay? The Texas house, you then rent out to someone. You don't have to refinance. You don't have to take it out of the VA loan. And then if you have enough entitlement in Florida, you do it again, right? And we've seen people throughout their careers just stack up real estate by doing this move and maxing out their eligibility, which is a totally different video. But the bottom line is that if you're right now somewhere cold and horrible, I mean, horrible is a strong word. I love New York. You guys know that. I'm actually going back and just very soon, so I'll be there. If you're somewhere cold, right? And you're like, I just want to be warm. You can't use VA as a second home. You can't use it as an investment property. VA is owner occupied only, and you're saying, yes, I intend to live there for at least a year. After that year, if you decide to turn that property into a second home and buy another house, or turn that property into an investment property and buy another house, it is none of ours, the lender's business. You don't have to refinance out of that VA loan. So super short and sweet video, but it's because there's not much more to it, you know, and for someone who's looking for a creative workaround, there isn't one. So there's no need to even go into that. And if you're dealing with a lender that's like, well, just say you're gonna live there. We've talked about this before. Fraud is not fun. You always want to be accurate. You don't want to lie. Most of the time people lie, they get caught. So it's not worth it. Owner occupied only for VA, but once you own that house and you live there for a year, turn it into whatever you want. As always, I'm licensed in 48 states to do mortgages. You guys know I love VA. That's why I talk about it every Wednesday. So I'd love to help you start your real estate empire or add on to it. Thanks for watching, guys.